Turning now to Washington and a call to action from President Biden as he pushes for more Americans to get vaccinated this month. By Independence Day, he wants 70% of all U.S. adults to have at least one COVID shot. But declining inoculation levels are putting that target in jeopardy. Our Laura Podesta is standing by in New York. Laura, the president hasn't missed a coronavirus goal yet, so there's a lot riding on this one, isn't there?
Yes, it would be a political achievement and exemplary of President Biden's leadership, but it would also be a medical achievement because experts believe it would take 70% of the population to be vaccinated in order for us to reach herd immunity. President Biden called June a month of action and encouraged Americans to get vaccinated so they can enjoy this summer safely.
A summer of freedom, a summer of joy, a summer of get-togethers and celebrations. An all-American summer that this country deserves after a long, long, dark winter that we've all endured.
The president wants 70% of adults to be at least partially vaccinated by July 4th.
Do it to protect those more vulnerable than you, your friends, your family.
So far, 63% of adults have gotten at least one dose. Mr. Biden is hoping incentives will win over skeptics, like a beer giveaway from Anheuser-Busch.
The greatest time in history to grab a beer.
State lotteries.
I said, what did I win? He went, $40,000. And I was like, whoa!
And even gun giveaways.
We're going to give 5 custom hunting rifles and 5 custom hunting shotguns away.
President Biden said Americans shouldn't take vaccine availability for granted.
All over the world, people are desperate to get a shot.
The head of the World Health Organization noted just 0.4% of all vaccines have been administered to low-income countries.
This is ethically, epidemiologically, and economically unacceptable.
Yesterday, a handful of wealthier nations promised nearly $2.5 billion to support global vaccination efforts. And by the end of this month, the Biden administration says the U.S. will have donated 80 million vaccine doses to other countries. Anne-Marie, we should learn a lot more about global vaccination efforts and coordination next week when President Biden heads to England for the G7 summit.
Well, last month, the Biden administration announced that it was supportive of waiving patent rights on coronavirus vaccines so that poorer nations can get the chance to produce their own. A lot of the World Trade Organization member countries still have to agree to that. So do we know what's going on with that? How's that process going?
This process is not going well. The patent waiver has stalled. That's the last that we heard based on Monday's meeting. The revised draft is really failing to overcome resistance from the United Kingdom, from the European Union as a whole, and from South Korea. And there are 2 points that a lot of these countries are objecting to, and that is the scope of this patent waiver and the duration of it. Anne-Marie.
Okay, so back to some of the incentives that you highlighted in your package. We've heard it all. You can get a beer, you can get a gun, you can get $1 million. Are these incentives actually working?
They are working. We are seeing studies coming out. There was one of 2,200 American adults asking them, would a freebie make you want to get a shot? And according to that study, men are more likely than women to get a shot based on an incentive. And also when it comes to generations, millennials are the generation most likely to wait to see if there will be some sort of prize or some sort of freebie that they can get before deciding to get a shot. Anne-Marie.
Very interesting, Laura. Thank you very much.